and welcome to our channel, Portugal on a Shoestring.
This is Christmas Day 2024 and we'd just like to take the opportunity to thank each of you for all the support and the connection throughout this incredible year. Whether you've been following our adventures, sharing your own experiences or just enjoying our videos, we are really grateful to be part of such a wonderful community. This year's been filled with new discoveries, beautiful moments, the warmth of Portuguese culture, from its festive lights to wonderful people and the stunning landscapes. Absolutely amazing. So as we wrap up this year, we just wanted to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. We're excited to continue our journey and we hope you all come along with us, because without you, this would be nothing. Goodbye.